So this is the VANKYO portable HD projector. So that's when it's turned on, and then it turns red when you turn it off. So on this one, I'm going to show you how to connect it to the network, because you will need it connected to the network or internet in order for you to be able to use the projector. So after turning on, you will see that logo, and this is it. It's gonna light up. And here's where you go to for connecting the projector to the internet. So you click on the settings and then choose the internet symbol or logo, and it's going to show WLAN settings, and find your internet connection and enter your password. And as soon as you're connected, it's going to show you that you are connected, of course. In the manual, there is this instruction if you want to mirror your screen or screen mirroring. So you will have to go to your phone on your iPhone, which I will show you. So here's the iPhone. You want to go to this screen mirror symbol. So you click on it. Since you already connected your projector, it's going to be there. So you just have to select it, and right now it's already starting to mirror what's in your iPhone. So here's the actual projection, and here's the video I picked, and it's gonna go, of course, mirror it in your projector. And also there's a sound that's gonna come up from the projector. Of course, you don't need to have a speaker. You can connect a headphone if you want to, but here it is. The more it projects is the more like the background is dark. It was a little bit light when I started it, but here's the projector, and then you can just go back and hit stop mirroring in your iPhone when you're done. And here's what you will see after you've stopped the screen mirroring. You're gonna go see the instructions, and all you need to do now is turn off the unit, the projector, and it came with a cover, so make sure you use the cover. And if you're needing to see the model number for support, it's gonna be at the bottom of the unit. And this projector is only for home entertainment.